I'm Rebecca Jackson, racing driver, TV presenter and motoring journalist, and today I have an unboxing for you which is the first of its kind, because when I used to get loads of motorsport parts for my cars, unboxing videos, maybe they weren't such a thing, or I just was too keen to get them on the car. I've been sent this and it is from Purdy Figg, so it's an environmentally conscious choice and it's really lovely. You get a glass bottle, so providing you don't drop that on the floor and smash it, this will last forever and you can just keep reusing it. And these little cleaners here, I really love them because they just smell so divine. They smell kind of like a spa. So this one is Balancing Floral Counter Clean, and this one is Uplifting Citrus. Again, it's a counter clean. And the last one is, if I can get it out, Grounding Vetiver. Excuse my ignorance. Smell delicious. I'm not acting too surprised because I've actually had Purdy Figg before and I really love the smells. Oh my goodness. And this one, the Uplifting Citrus. Oh yes, I like that one. It's very relaxing. I like the packaging as well because I can't see any plastic tape at all. So it's just cardboard, and the concept is very easy to understand because you add this bottle here where you pour it into the larger bottle and then you top it up with tap water. And therefore there is not the need to buy a separate plastic bottle with it already pre-made, because most of the ingredients in a pre-made one is water anyway. Not only that, the actual ingredients inside here, they're more environmentally friendly, kinda for little noses. If you've got children in your household breathing in the things that you're spraying, the first thing that I cut out was aerosols, because I felt like the stuff just being sprayed all in the air wasn't ideal for them. And then a lot of the chemicals and the ingredients that go into some of the other cleaners, I just didn't really like the thought of them breathing all of that in. So what's actually, okay, so yes, it says simple natural ingredients. It says gentle yet effective and a pleasure to use. And it's got a little picture of the hand using the, there we go, look, the hand using the cloth with Purdy Figg written on it. There we go, look, Purdy Figg. Now, simple natural ingredients. Yes, that's a really good point, because there are loads of ingredients in nature which are naturally antibacterial, naturally antiviral. So coconut oil is not in these, by the way. I'm going to line them up really neatly now, but I will mention it anyway because we use coconut oil quite a lot. Coconut oil is 100% natural and it is naturally antibacterial and antiviral, as is honey, and we really like honey. So back to Purdy Figg. I'm very grateful that they have sent me these and that I can well, I know what they do because I've had Purdy Figg before, but I've never made a video about it. So this is a little picture of all the cleaning that you can do with your Purdy Figg products, and you can get slight kitchen envy because they have a white ceramic butler sink and wooden worktops, which I really like. Don't worry guys, I am still really into cars. I'm not turning into a, what's it called? A house maintenance expert. No, maintenance would be the builders and the handy people. I'm not turning into the Ideal Home magazine. There's still plenty of car content, and if this was totally and utterly dull for you, then please go to the Motorpoint YouTube channel where you will find me presenting videos about cars, car reviews, front wheel drive versus rear wheel drive, skid control, all that kind of cool stuff. Plus I've got some videos coming out for a major manufacturer. I don't know if I'm allowed to say yet, so I won't, but keep an eye on my socials and I will let you know. And I will still be doing motoring and motorsport videos and content, so it still will be all there. I just have a little bit of an eco arm. I mean, I've only got 2 arms, but let's just say, yeah, another arm to my life now is I'm interested and taking an active approach to being environmentally more conscious than I was before. And I do still believe that life is all about a balance. It doesn't mean to say that you can't get your V8 out at the weekend, or your flat 6, or your straight 6, or your twin turbo plus whatever engine layout and cylinders you like. To summarise, I think this is a really great product because I really like the smell of it and I really like how it cleans. So thank you, Purdy and Figg.